Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my latest short story box. If you don't know what short story is, it is the Petite fashion styling box for women 5'4" or under. If you want to try this box risk-free, I do have a referral link down below in my description box. It waives the stylist fee. So usually whenever you order these boxes, there is a stylist fee, and if you use my promo code, that will come off so you can try it risk-free. If you don't like anything, you send it all back, but hopefully you will like something. They sent me something in this box that I've actually already purchased. As soon as the box arrived, I wanted to try something in particular on. When I got the email that this box was shipped, I pretended like I was checking out so I could get a sneak peek of what they put in here, and this dress is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to share it with y'all. I already bought it. Okay, so whenever you open up your box, this is kind of how it looks like. Even though I've already unboxed this, I'll try to give you an expectation what to expect. You get a letter that says, "Hello, Alicia." It has a note inside, and it also has the prices of everything. I'm going to go over everything at the end of the video of how much everything costs. I'm also going to leave down below in my description box the names of everything. So if you want to request something, you can do that by using the names I have listed in my description box. They always come with a poly mailer, and your address is already taped on, so whatever you decide not to keep in this box, you just put it back in that bag and send it off. So everything is always wrapped up really nicely in the tissue paper. And here was my little burrito. So everything is usually wrapped up and folded in this. But like I said, I already tried something on because I loved it whenever I saw it at the checkout. So let's just go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show each item, and then I'm going to try them on for you so you can see kind of how they look. The shirts that they sent me aren't really my style. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of them, but I will show you. So this is Paper Crane, and it's just a little floral top, and it kind of has like that cinched in waist detail, kind of a little flutter cap sleeve right there. Definitely gives me all the spring vibes. It does have a tie in the back. Just not really crazy about that one. We will give it a shot though and try it on. This is also Paper Crane. I may just not like that brand. Sometimes when I don't like something, I find that everything from that brand isn't really my style. This is just a little wrap top. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to wear something underneath it. I don't like layering, so if I have to layer for this, it's probably gonna be a no. Okay, here's the dress that I actually already have decided I am keeping, and let's see, this is by Sojourn. I've never heard of this, but that's what the tag looks like, and it's a gorgeous dress. It's long sleeve, and it kind of feels like suede. Really pretty. It's like a blue-gray, kind of maybe a slate color. It does have the ruching here on the side, and then it kind of has like this little flap right here. Really, really pretty. I'm going to try this on for you. I really loved it whenever I tried it on the first time. She did send some denim. I'm not really in the market for denim though. I've said that in my last Stitch Fix and Nordstrom Trunk Club videos. It's just not something I'm looking for right now. I have a lot that is great. I think I probably have maybe 7-8 pairs of denim right now in my closet, so it's not something I really need right now. These are Democracy. I feel like I've received pants very similar to this by this brand. These are for curvy women, so they got a lot of stretch, which we all love. These definitely look like something I would wear. I love a good pair of black skinny jeans, but like I said, I just really don't need any right now. This is a brand 1822, and if you're new to my channel, I actually resell clothes, like used clothes, for a living, and 1822 is a brand I do buy to resell. It's okay. These seem very long. I know these are supposed to be for petite women. I have a 23-inch inseam, which is one of the lowest inseams you can go on the list before we're getting into like capri length territory. Yeah, anyway, really cute jeans, but I do think they may be a little bit long on me. So let's go ahead and try this on and see what it looks like. Okay, first I tried on the 1822 denim. These are super comfortable. There's no gapping back here. That's usually what I have trouble with. I'll try to get on my tiptoes so you guys can see better. Here's the Democracy black jeans. You guys, these are so stretchy. There's a ton of stretch in the waistband, which is great. There's not really much gapping at all, just a little bit. Inseam is great, not too long. I think the fit is really, really nice. So this shirt right here, it's a no. I don't know what it's doing down here. It has something to do with the wrap, but I don't really like where this hits me. I feel like I like the top part, the V-neck part, but I wish it maybe went out into like a peplum or did something different. Yeah, I'm just not really crazy about this top. All right, so here's this like floral top. Overall, I just think it's unflattering. It goes really tight here on your hips, and you can, I guess, pull it up to make it like looser from the side. I don't like it, you guys. Yeah, I don't feel pretty in this shirt, so I'm gonna pass. So here's the dress I absolutely love. I love all the ruching detail here. I just think this is a really pretty feminine look. It hits me right above my knees. I'm really excited to add this dress to my wardrobe. I think it's really cute. So what did you guys think about the outfits? I love the jeans and I love the dress. I'm going to go over prices and I'm gonna read my stylist note. So let's go ahead and start off with the note. Just wanna remind you, if you wanna try this service risk-free, I do have my referral link down below. It will waive your styling fee of your first box. If you've tried it and you've uploaded a video, let me know. There's not a ton of unboxing videos on YouTube for Short Story, and I would love to see the other clothes they have to offer. So if you make one, definitely let me know in the comments. Here is my note for my stylist. My stylist is Shannon. She said, "Dear Alicia, happy Short Story Day. I hope this box brings a little brightness your way. My name is Shannon and I am thrilled to be styling you. I see that you're looking for more denim." Maybe I have a note that, maybe it's an old note that says I need denim. Maybe I need to update that. So I grabbed two options for you to try. I actually really love the denim. If I was looking for denim, I think both of those honestly would have made the cut. Both of them had a lot of stretch. You know we love the stretch. Okay, she said, the first is a medium wash skinny jean with a ton of stretch for a comfy fit. These will look great with the pink surplice top and neutral platform sandals for spring. The other is a black wash skinny jegging that you can easily dress up or down. Try them with the smocked floral top, ankle boots, and a moto jacket. When you want to dress things up a bit, the ruched mini dress is the perfect choice for a night out. I hope you have fun trying everything on, and I can't wait to hear how it all works out for you. Happy fitting, Shannon. So let's go over all the prices. So like I said, I already got the dress. I've already actually checked out because I wanted this dress. I thought I was gonna actually wear it for an event. And it was actually one of the most affordable things in the box. It's actually a great price. This is the Sojourn overlap hem dress, and the color is Sea Storm. This was only $48. So I ended up keeping this brand new dress that fits me pretty nicely for $48. Can't beat that. Okay, these were the Black Democracy Petite Absolutions ankle skimmer jeans in black. And these are $74. So for denim, I'm okay with splurging because if you guys know me, I wear denim pretty much every day. Every single day, that's what I reach for. So as far as pricing for denim, I think that's a fair price because they fit so well. Okay, this top here, this is the Lydia small floral top in paper crane. This was $38. I really thought this was a really unflattering look. Same with this one. This is also by Paper Crane. They're calling this the Dainty Lettuce Edge Surplice Top, and it's in coral for $38. Not a bad price. I just thought the fit wasn't great. Okay, last pair I want to tell you the price on. These are the 1822 denims. These are the Walker mid-rise ankle skinny jeans for $68. Super, super comfortable. They're also like a really thin kind of fabric. They're not that thick cotton, which would make them great to wear during the summertime. All right, y'all, that is all for today's short story box unboxing and review. I should have another short story box here within about a month. I do have a Stitch Fix box that I should be uploading that video within the week. I want to say this has got to be my favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite box. It's probably definitely top 3 of my favorite boxes Stitch Fix has ever sent to me. They have sent some really cute items. I cannot wait to show y'all. I think the hardest part is going to be not buying everything, if we're being honest. So I'll see you soon for that Stitch Fix video, and until then, bye for now.